Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create custom pages in Canva. The first thing you want to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, and from there, you're going to select Online Store. After selecting Online Store, in line with your theme name, you're going to see the option Customize. You're going to tap on Customize. Then you're going to be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, you're going to tap where you see home page at the top right here, and from here you're going to select pages. After selecting pages, you're going to see the option create template. You're going to tap on that and you can give the template a name. So for example, I'll just call it test. Then you're going to leave it based on default page. Then you'll tap on create template. After selecting create template, it is going to redirect you to the page that you have on your website at the moment. So for instance, I have the contact page. Now what you're going to do, you're going to add in the template or layout that you would like all the pages on your Shopify store to have. So for example's sake, you can remove this section if you want. You could tap right here and you could make different changes to the padding and so on. Or you can add different features. For example, I could tap on add section. If it is a case that you would like to add the announcement bar or a custom liquid, you could do that. You can also go over to the left hand menu option and tap on add section right below page. And let's say for example you would like the featured product to be displayed on your page. You could select featured product. Then for example's sake, you can select the product that you would like to be displayed by tapping on select product, and let's say this product. Then I'll tap on select. Another thing that you can do, you can add different sections by tapping on add section. You can see the different sections right there. You can also edit the footer section to your liking by tapping on add section. You could edit the footer section or select footer, and then from there you can make any changes you want. Once you have made changes to the layout to suit you, all you'll need to do now is tap on save in the top right hand corner. Now after you have saved the changes to your template, you will need to tap on exit in the top left hand corner. After selecting exit, what I want you to do next is select pages right here. So you're going to select pages. After selecting pages, from there you can select the page that is currently on your website. So for example, the contact page. And if you would like to change the template for that particular page, all you'll need to do is select theme template right here, and you can tap there and you'll see the option test. So you could select test for example, and you'll be able to change that particular page layout. So if we were to tap on save, once you have tapped on save, you'll just give it a few seconds, and then from there if we were to tap on view page, you'll realize that the page layout has changed. So that's how you'll be able to change the layout of any particular page you want. Once you have created your custom template, you can go over to the left hand menu option, select the particular page, then where you see theme template, you can select whether you like to use the default page template or you would like to use the template that you have created. So you can create more than one templates depending on the type of pages that you would like to display. So that's how you'll be able to create your own custom pages on Shopify. Hope you found this helpful and informative. If you still have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching.